Struggling with chronic hair loss? Let's understand the root cause. 30 Ayurvedic lessons that changed my life. It could be due to stress, medication, alopecia, eczema, low iron levels, or any kind of dandruff or fungal infection on your scalp. This is also due to Pitta imbalance in Ayurveda, when your Pitta, the fire element, becomes excess, leading to hair thinning, hair fall, and even graying of hair. These are the top 3 remedies that I would recommend. Number 1 is rosemary, one of the most potent herbs available for hair growth. In fact, they found in a randomized study that rosemary oil performed as well as minoxidil 2%, which is being given for hair regrowth. You can take rosemary, a whole bunch, boil it in a liter of water, and then strain it, put it in a spray bottle, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and spray it on your scalp 4 to 5 times a day. Because this is water-based, it'll dry up very quickly, it'll stimulate hair growth. Rosemary is known for microcapillary perfusion, which basically improves blood flow towards the nerve ending and the hair roots and hair follicles, thus promoting new hair growth. It also inhibits DHT, which is a hormone linked with hair thinning and hair loss. You can use rosemary boiled in water, or you can also use rosemary oil on your scalp twice a week. Mix it with castor oil and coconut oil to stimulate new hair growth. Number 2 is one very effective remedy, which is doing an apple cider vinegar hair wash after shampoo and conditioner. Take 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, put it in a glass of water, and do a final rinse. This helps in preventing any kind of buildup of fungal infection, dandruff on your scalp, and prevents hair loss thus. Number 3, focus on your diet. Improve iron absorption in your diet by increasing intake of beans, lentils, leafy greens like spinach, celery, cilantro, curry leaves. Moringa and spirulina is one of the best sources of iron. You can also have cashew, peas, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, apricots in your diet. Remember, consumption of iron can also lead to constipation, so make sure to pair it with good amount of clarified butter, also known as ghee, or cashew butter, which has got butyric acid that prevents constipation symptoms. To absorb iron from your food, you also need zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and copper. You can have a glass of water in a copper glass every day in the morning. You can store it overnight. You can have pumpkin seeds. You can have pistachio, good sources of zinc and magnesium. You can have cashews, and make sure to get 20 minutes of sun exposure every single day. Remember, we're nothing but a complex house plant that requires sunlight, water, and love to thrive. Sunlight fixes all problems that medication cannot always fix. Here's to healthy hair and a healthy you.